What's up guys, I'm Alex and today let's recreate the spaceship effect from DUNE in After Effects and Cinema 4D. So for this effect you need any shot you like. What I did to make this shot more interesting is to add a subject and also to have some camera movement. In After Effects I rotoscoped the talent out and I tracked the camera using the 3D camera tracker. In my case I had just the subject and the sky in the shot because the camera was looking up, and for this kind of shot make sure that the subject's body doesn't move so that you have enough tracking data. Also make sure that the subject has a lot of tracking points in such a way that After Effects has enough tracking data to create a really decent camera movement. After this is done, export your shot for Cinema 4D. And in Cinema 4D Lite, which comes in any version of After Effects 2022 with its subscription, create a background and apply a texture with your shot. After this is done, you need to import the 3D object of the spaceship. I found a free spaceship model already textured and I imported this into my project. First of all, there might be a small problem when you're placing your 3D object inside the scene because you're not going to see it. So in After Effects you should also create a null and a camera from some points. And don't forget to select some points on the body of the talent and set them as ground plane and origin. This will make sure that After Effects will calculate exactly the camera movement for those points. In Cinema 4D, copy the position of the null object or solid onto your spaceship and only then change it to your likings. This is because the After Effects camera is not in the ground plane of the axis in Cinema 4D, and this will make pretty hard to find your spaceship into the 3D space. After the animating is done, you can optionally also add a HDRI from your scene to make it much more realistic, and I have done mine using this Google Street View app. After this is done, just import the Cinema 4D file into After Effects and it will be done. You can also color correct your shot to your likings to make it much more interesting. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time.